Hey Brian, I'm going to go through each of your areas there and I'm going to show you where you made the mistakes. And I'm going to explain kind of how my IT lab is a little fickle. So let me go down here and let me also explain to you, this is the solution, this is the actual solution, and this is your file. And keep in mind that you can do this more than once. So when you come into the live comment report, you can see right there tells you exactly what it is. Now I know it says subject control da 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 was not inserted correctly. Now I know you think you inserted it correctly, but let me show you what you made the mistake with. You see that little period right there? And let me zoom in a little bit. See the period? That's why. Now another thing, if you don't have the controls, the characters on, it's real important to keep those on. They really help you to know what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and give you, oops, that's bad. I'm going to go ahead and give you the points for this one. That's 4 points there. So I'm going to give you the points for there. Let's move on. The next one is down here. So again, what I'm suggesting is that you can actually not have to redo your whole document. You go and look, and you look carefully, and you see, well, where did I make that mistake? And then you go back and look at the instructions, and you go back here, and you can fix those mistakes and upload it again. In this particular case, what happened here is, notice right here that there's a space. That's what that little character is right there. That character is a space. Notice here you don't have a space. So my IT lab looks at that very carefully. So I'm going to give you credit for that one. So that's going to be, how many points was that? So that's 2, so that's 6 more points. And I'm going to look at your assessment one too and evaluate that. Now the one I am honestly not going to give you any credit for is the last one, where the one you're really talking to me about. This is what it should look like, and this is what you have. What you have is that you didn't merge the cells. It says 4 points deducted for William Frank. The alignment wasn't set to center. The alignment wasn't set. So you didn't set any alignment. So, but you'll notice right here, this is supposed to be bold. You didn't bold that. You didn't center it. What you see here is, again, having the all characters on is real important. Right here, that little symbol tells you that. So if I highlight that, you'll notice that there's this first cell and second cell. And now if I go to the layout and I merge cells, that's the first step that you didn't do. The second step you didn't do was to center it. The third step you didn't do was in terms of alignment, in terms of having the alignment. I believe it was supposed to be aligned top center and all that kind of stuff. So again, you didn't have it set right, so I can't give you credit for that. So I'm going to give you 6 points. I'm going to look at your assessment and make sure, or if you think the assessment was wrong, you can tell me, but I'm going to add 6 more points to this. But again, one of the things you can do is make sure you have the all characters on. The other thing you can do is do this more than once, and that's important.